Prefix suffix sheet number 1, day 5. Number 7, we have the letters A and the letters AN. An example would be anaerobic or atypical results. So sometimes when you see commercials, some weight loss commercials, if you can read that teeny weeny print that they put at the bottom that may flash by really fast, you might read that what you're viewing are atypical results. So a or an means not, nor, or without. So atypical results are not typical. So what you see in that commercial is probably not what's going to happen for you because those aren't the typical results. Anaerobic, aero kind of is what it sounds like it is, air. So we are able to make energy in a pinch, in a bind, if we have to, anaerobically. So that means without oxygen. Now, we can't live or go that way indefinitely, but we can, in times of physical stress, extreme exercise, we can do the production of energy anaerobically without oxygen. Okay, next we have Genesis. A really good example is abiogenesis, or you might hear of something being generated. Genesis means beginning. So abiogenesis is something that we'll see a little bit about here at the beginning of this semester. There's that A, and so we see A is not nor without, bio is living, and then Genesis beginning. So what in the world does that mean? This was something that people believed in for a very long time, that life, living organisms, can be generated without life, which sounds crazy, but we'll talk about that in a little bit.